get this shit focused. What's poppin', Jimbos? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the Shoppity Ship Shop. We're here with
What's up, dog?
we're here with the legend himself, BMW, formerly known as Audi S1K. You got the new Beamer right there. We got the other BMW under here. You wouldn't even know under this mat. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Look at that Bronx exhaust. Oh! Today we are doing the custom diffuser on the Golf. Kind of rainy. Can't even tell, but it's kind of rainy right now. So we're gonna pull everything in. We're gonna pull everything in the safe and wet.
What were you about to say there?
I don't know. Right now, this is what we're dealing with. We have the stock valence on. We got the holes cut. First, I want to unbox this though. Oh fuck my bad, G.
Quite interesting, Gabe. You should make this a clean cut.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. Dude, no one's ever done this. Think about it.
Wait, are you serious? You're the first boy?
I am the only one who has the middle exhaust, so middle quad tip. So since we got this exhaust, no one really makes any diffuser for it, so we're going our custom way. So the first step is this e-Golf valence. So this is the same valence that we got on the Golf right now. Only difference is you see there's no exhaust holes. On my valence, there's the exhaust port right here. So we're gonna have to cut our own exhaust port right here, and then we're gonna slap these puppies on the side. So let's open this up. We got the big box right here. These side diffusers are actually for the Mark 6 Golf R. I got them from ECS Tuning. They're from Maxton Design. Oh shit.
Alright then, first rule about fight.
So it looks like you got all the stickers, the adhesive cleaner, all the bolts in here. Let's cut this hoe up. Oh shit, it's already cut through the plastic, so I don't even need a snake. Okay, maybe I do. Having problems? Maxing manuals. Fuck you. I can't use the manual because this isn't supposed to go on my car. So it's for a Golf R in like 2013. Alright.
That's sick.
This looks so fucking nice, dude. If this fits, it looks like it'll fit. I'm just seeing where this could go. So might have to cut this off. So it looks really good, guys. Definitely gonna have to cut this out just so the tips can slide up further. Once that happens, everything should close in. So we're gonna have to rip that off.
Are we? There's any screws?
No. This thing should just...
So it's just meant to do that?
Oh, it just broke it, but yeah.
I mean, we don't need
Alright, before we get into cutting, do a little test run. Alright boys, we're sending shit. I'm pretty sure I just burned a fucking layer off. We're continuing the second cut. Look how much plastic's on there. That is just all guts. Oh, I just broke the fucking layer. Alright, so we kind of have to clean this plastic off. Perfect. So do you think this blade is usable?
Yeah.
It's still a blade. Finish the job. Not wasting any more blades. Well, there it goes.
Dude, I was standing right here as I could do it.
Finish the job. Boys, I need another blade. I need it for literally 2 seconds. It's still rough cut. I don't want to put it all the way on. Clean, no exhaust?
Yeah, no hole from the stock exhaust.
Since my car is a Mark 7, not a Mark 6, and I have quad tips, not 2, we are actually gonna have to cut this. I think about right there we'll do it. If that's not enough, we can cut more, but I think that will be good, like right where it goes. You did a little portion there. Let's see. How this fits. Does that fit? Looks like that's like all we need, really. She from Atlanta. Look at that. All right, Maxton, what do y'all think? I just fucking butchered your shit up. What y'all think? Final result. Now I'm just gonna sand it a little bit so it's good for painting. It's been some time now. We've just been trimming down the diffuser. Take out this entire portion because there's like a part up in the car that blocks it. We're also having to cut into the valence so the fins slide up. But now I'm gonna get a bolt in and then try to get this one on. All right, boys, hours later, fucking dark out. It's been some hard work, some custom fab work. All we need to do now would be to take the valence off and paint it black. And we're gonna push the tips further in. Thanks this guy for lending his beautiful shed house shop place. Okay, now it's actually nighttime. I just finished bolting off the other side. From what I can see so far, it looks fire, bro. Holy shit, I can't wait to see it in the day. This is gonna be the craziest looking Golf. That looks so clean. God damn. God damn. What's poppin', Jimbos? So unfortunately, the next clips, the audio went to the bathroom, so I'm just gonna talk over them. So it's the next day, and I just got back from the exhaust shop. We noticed the valence actually had to be cut more for the tips to be able to push back. So here I'm just taking the diffusers off, and then I eventually take the valence off. Then we bust out the Dremel one more time to grind her down. While we had the valence off, we painted it black with some trim black. This is what we had to cut from the diffusers so it could sit flush on the rear of the car. We also had to cut slits in to the valence for all the diffuser fins. We also cut more of the diffusers to make them both even on both sides of the exhaust. The new valence versus the old. Drilled some more holes because we had 2 on one side, 3 on the other. This is the final product before hitting the exhaust shop. As you see, we still need to push them in like 2-3 inches. And here's the final product. Pretty impressed on how it came out. It's a pain in the ass, but first time it's ever been done, so hyped on that. People don't know if it's a Mark 6R, Mark 7R. Definitely one of the craziest looking Golfs. A lot more to come for it, but that's been it for us. If you guys want to see any more updates or pictures on the Golf, just hit the link in the bio for my Instagram. And it's been it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and enjoy the one piece of audio we recorded. Peace.